As more states see increases in the number of COVID cases, more places are requiring people wear masks. And you can now add New Jersey to that list. CBS 2's Jenna DeAngelis is live in Hoboken with more on the governor's order. Jenna?
Dana, we saw many people wearing masks today, but still some people not wearing one. And the new rule here in New Jersey is if you're outside and can't social distance, you must wear a mask. For example, if you're here on Washington Street or in a park where on a nice day, it would be packed with people.
It's everyone's role to do something about this if we really want this to end.
So these Hoboken residents say wearing a mask is a no-brainer, especially here where it can be tough to stay 6 feet apart.
We're trying to be conscious of those around us. We don't know what we might have picked up and gotten, and we don't want to spread it if we do.
In New Jersey, face coverings have only been required indoors up until Wednesday's executive order. Governor Murphy mandating masks be worn outside when social distancing isn't possible.
If you're in your bubble with your family or you're sitting by yourself, that's not our focus. This is absolutely vital when individuals find themselves in a crowded situation, such as when walking down a packed boardwalk.
So images like these from July 4th at the Jersey Shore are a big no-no. In New York, masks were required outdoors back in April. Governor Murphy says it was a step he was hoping New Jersey wouldn't have to take.
We can't ignore the fact that our rate of transmission has gone up. We can't ignore the fact that the virus is exploding in other states right now.
We're told local law enforcement will monitor compliance in crowded places, but Governor Murphy admits it'll be hard to enforce, not detailing how it would be. One idea from a resident:
Hand out a ticket and hand out a mask at the same time.
It's really about appealing to your sense of personal responsibility.
Dr. Ronald Nahas is an epidemiologist for Robert Wood Johnson University Hospital, Somerset.
If I have a mask on, I'm protecting my mouth and my nose from my hands, which could potentially transmit the virus to me. If I'm carrying that virus and I have no symptoms, using the mask acts as a barrier. So it protects you or protects people around you.
When you put on your face covering, you are telling others that you do not want your family, or theirs, by the way, to have to know what it is like to lose a loved one to this virus.
Governor Murphy says the exceptions to the rule, if you're outdoor dining, if it would put your health at risk, or children under 2 years old. Now, keep in mind, if you travel to a state on New Jersey's travel advisory list, you'll have to quarantine for 14 days. We're live in Hoboken, New Jersey. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.
Jenna, thank you.